Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe tax to US sales workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Stripe tax to your US sales workflows, begin by signing in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the settings section in the sidebar. Locate and select tax settings from the list. Click on the setup button to initiate the Stripe tax configuration. You will be prompted to enable Stripe tax if you haven't done so already. Once enabled, select the US as your primary region for sales tax. Next, enter your business address, as this helps determine tax rates based on location. Proceed by specifying the types of products or services you sell. This information assists Stripe in calculating the correct tax rates for your transactions. After this, review and accept any necessary terms and conditions for using Stripe tax. Now, integrate the Stripe tax feature into your existing sales workflow. To do this, visit the API section under Developers in the sidebar. Copy your API keys as you'll need them for the integration process. Then, head to your preferred e-commerce platform or custom application. Utilize the Stripe API documentation to implement the tax calculation in your checkout process. That includes setting up the necessary endpoints to handle tax calculation. Ensure that you include the appropriate line items in your API requests. These items should have detailed descriptions and prices to calculate tax effectively. Once you've implemented the API, perform a test transaction to ensure everything works. Verify that tax is accurately calculated and displayed during the checkout process. If all looks good, proceed to enable the payment method for your customers. You should also set up reporting to track sales tax collected in different states. This step is crucial for compliance during tax season. Finally, monitor your transactions to ensure that Stripe tax continues to function smoothly. Regularly update your product categories as needed for accurate tax calculations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.